Please follow this page, like and share this video. Ergot in sorghum. Ergot can be an economically devastating problem. Although yield losses associated with ergot infection can be significant, indirect losses may be even more important. Harvesting grain from ergot-infected fields can be difficult. Ergot contamination reduces grain quality and limits its use as a feedstock. Ergot in sorghum is caused by a fungus, Claviceps africana. Infection occurs during flowering when spores of the fungus land on the feathery stigmas of flowers in sorghum heads. If the flower has been fertilized by pollen, it resists infection and normal seed will develop. If the flower has not been fertilized, the spore germinates and grows into the unfertilized seed, ovary, and the ovary is rapidly replaced by a fungal mass. About 7 days after infection, sticky honeydew oozes out of the flowers and drips onto leaves and the ground. When the weather is wet or humid, the honeydew turns white due to the production of the infective spores just above the surface of the honeydew. Ultimately, near grain maturation, the fungal mass develops into a hard fungal body, the sclerot. Occasionally the developing sclerot can be overgrown by the black fruiting body of another fungus called cerebella. The fungus can survive year-round in honeydew on other sorghum hosts, such as Johnson grass, Halopensa, and Columbus grass, Amum. The ergot which affects sorghum does not infect paspalum or winter cereals such as wheat and barley. Although ergot spores can survive in honeydew on sorghum seed, the fungicide Therm that is used routinely on sorghum planting seed will kill the spores. Sorghum ergot does not survive from season to season in sorghum stubble or as sclerots in the soil. There is no effective method of controlling ergot disease, though fungicides like Xyrum, Captain or propiconazole 0.2% foliar spray at the stage of just before earhead emergence and repeated 2 to 3 times at 5 to 7 days interval can help. The seeds to be planted can be partially cleaned by immersion in 20% solution of common salt. The seeds that float on the surface can be manually removed. Adjustment of sowing time may sometimes be helpful in managing the disease. Thank you for watching and please follow for more of this kind. Goodbye. See you next time.